Hey guys, what's up? I'm Nilanjana. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to yet another review video. Now this video is definitely nothing to do with makeup or makeup products. I'm not going to even review any kind of makeup products for that matter. Today I'm going to talk about very important, or you can say it's a medicine, but something which you do not have to have orally, but you need to apply it if at all you are going through certain kind of problems. Like I will tell you exactly what problems I'm referring to. So if you want to know what problems and what is the medicine I'm talking about, keep on watching. But before that, if you're new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. Kindly take a moment to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already and hit the notification bell. So without any jibber jabber, let's begin. So guys, from the time this COVID situation has happened, in fact this COVID-19 situation has really taken a toll on us mentally, physically, you can also say, because homeschooling has started, then work from home has started, and even for people who does 9 to 6 job or 9 to 5 job sitting at one particular place, we think that it's very easy breezy kind of a task because you just need to sit at one place and do the job. But to be honest, it's not that easy. So it has really taken a toll on the body as well. If I talk about myself personally, though I did not address this on my channel, I have been suffering from tremendous backache and frozen shoulder. Now it's been almost, I can say it's been 2 months. I have got good results. That is the reason I thought I should share it with you all. If it can help any of you all, I would feel really happy and grateful. So the medicine that I'm going to talk about today is Quick Pain Relieving Oil from Ozone Ayurvedics. So whenever we hear the word Ayurvedic or Ayurveda, the first thing that comes in our mind is it is going to help us, it is going to heal our problem without giving any kind of side effects. So my friends who already know that whenever I give a review, I talk about the outer packaging. So exactly, I'm going to do the same in this particular video. This is the medicine, it is written here, Quick Pain Relieving Oil. So this is the medicine that I'm talking about, and this is the outer packaging. It comes in a cardboard like packaging where all the composition and everything is mentioned right here. Not only in English, it is also written in Hindi. The batch number, the manufacturing date, the expiry date, everything is mentioned clearly. So people who are suffering from low back pain, knee pain, joint pain, frozen shoulder, or any kind of neurological pain, which means sciatica pain. Sciatica pain is one pain which is a very, I'd say it's a chronic pain, unbearable, I can say, because I have gone through that pain long back, so I know how it feels like. Now people even who have osteoporosis, osteoarthritis can even use this particular oil. Now talking about the inner packaging, now this is the inner packaging. It comes in a plastic bottle, if you can see, wherein everything is mentioned. I mean, who all can use the oil. If you're playing sports and you get a strain or a sprain, you can use the oil. So this particular medicine is infused with a lot of things such as pudina, which is mint, we say, then capsicum raisin, kapoor, which is camphor. Out of all the things which I have mentioned right now, I can just talk about camphor. What exactly camphor does? Camphor provides or gives warmth to the place, to the affected area, and it helps in reducing the inflammation. Even pudina, for that matter, it effectively acts as a pain reliever and can soothe the muscle cramp if at all you have any. It also has Mahanarayan Tela, Brihat Mash Tela, and Vishgarbha Tela. And all the compositions and everything is well mentioned in the leaflet inside. You will get a leaflet also inside the packaging. Now this is a travel friendly product, and the net quantity is 120 ml and costs 283 rupees. Now many times it has so happened that you do not tend to keep the outer packaging, we just discard it. But in that case, there are products jiske under the label is not there. So in this particular medicine, you can see everything is mentioned here. I mean, who all can use it, and along with the composition, the batch number, the manufacturing date, everything is mentioned right here. This is, as I said, this is a travel friendly product. So if you are at all going for a staycation, vacation, now since things are easing out a bit, we are traveling also. So in that case, you can just put it in your bag, and it'll be very useful. Now let me show you all the consistency of the oil. Now you can see it is orangish in color. It's not too liquidy nor it's too viscous. So this is the consistency of the oil. The application is also very simple. Whenever you are getting any kind of pain, be it a joint pain, muscle pain, as I've already mentioned, you just need to take a little bit of oil, like 6 ml or 12 ml, depending upon the intensity of your pain. See, I have taken a little bit of it, and if I have a joint pain right here, so I'm just going to massage it very gently, massage it for a minute or two till the time the oil gets completely absorbed. So just be very gentle while you are massaging, and in no time you can feel that the cool sensation because of the camphor kapoor, and you'll be really relieved from the pain. Since it's not a medicine which you need to take it orally, being a local application, the quick pain relieving oil is not going to give you any kind of gastric irritation or any kind of organ damage that you can be rest assured with. The links of this particular medicine or product is there in the description box. You can easily get it from their website itself, from Ozone website. Also get it from Amazon and Flipkart. So guys, I hope this video will be useful and helpful for many of my friends out there. You can use it and see it a difference in yourself, that what kind of relief you'll be getting from this particular quick pain relieving oil. So guys, with this I come to the end of another review video, and if you think it was useful and helpful to you guys, then please do not forget to like, comment, subscribe to my channel. Do follow me on my Instagram, and I'll see you very soon in my next one. Till then, stay happy, stay safe, and keep smiling. Love you guys. Bye-bye.